I'm Aliza. I've been here coming up on a year in July, and I'm the sampling coordinator. People send me requests of different samples that can be like smaller products or sending out pavers to different locations, different dealers, sometimes directly to sales reps. I also help ship out catalogs amongst different locations within county. I like working here because it's different every day. There's always something new going on. It's a lot of moving parts. It's a lot of quick thinking, trying to figure out the best ways to help people and make sure that things are done in a timely manner. Being in a space that typically women aren't as more frequently in, I enjoy. I think I get to learn a lot, interact with a lot of different people. Generally, the main misconception that I hear is it's not really a place for women. Obviously, I don't think that that's true. There's a lot of women that work here, and there's a lot of jobs that I think people don't realize and understand that go into manufacturing. It's not all just dirty work, or it's not all just manual labor. There's lots of other opportunities, and women are equally as capable as men to fulfill any of those roles. So it's interesting to see men and women work in this kind of environment. It's not something I've necessarily seen before, but generally just how supportive the women are, the men are, how everyone gets along is just an awesome experience to be a part of.